Hello, my friends. It's Carl Smith, your international hypnotist and coach, and we're going through this 254 questions and answers of practical hypnotism by Emil Franchel, done in the 1950s. And this question proves that it's outdated. But on the same token, the questions are still viable, so I'm still going to go for it. So we're answering 254 questions that were produced in this book, 1950s, by this man, and we're seeing if it works in a modern hypnotic world. No doubt somebody's going to do this to me in about another 100 years' time. Anyway, right. How are unexpected conditions of hypnosis brought about? This title just intrigued me, and I'm going through them in a chronological order, by the way. Let me just do this for you. Unexpected conditions of hypnosis can be brought about. They can be produced in many, many ways, either singly or in conjunction with each other. Monotony, vibration, concentration on sleeping, mental stimuli, eye strain, beautiful thoughts, shock, pain, hunger, fear, thoughts, and many other incomprehensibles to the lay mind. To the lay mind, what is that all about, eh? So what we're talking about is supermarket hypnosis. This is where he's talking about. This supermarket hypnosis is where he goes into it. I'm not going to give you the whole of the answer because it goes on for like a page, and I'm not going to do it because it's subliminal messaging. And that's one of the key things there. When I titled this, I was like, what am I going to call this? Should I just call it subliminal? No, I think it sounds better, but unexpected. But the key thing is about subliminal messaging and about what we're doing and how we purchase things. All of us have been subjected to some form of inadvertent, marketing, or pointing you towards something, or asking you to go have a look at something, or using colors and using different things to entice us to come in. And from reading this, that is a very long answer to something that we call subliminal messaging. So I don't apologize for the statement because I'm doing 254 questions here. But on the same token, subliminal messaging, I mean, it's such a powerful thing. If you're a hypnotist or you're a marketer or anyone like that, go look at the power of the colors. Go look at subliminal messaging or marketing colors and strategies, and go have a look at those and how they can influence. The thumbnails on most of my videos are bright colors. With pop-out letters and stuff like that to entice you in. Very minimalistic letters just to bring you in, like this thumbnail now. All right, so go have a look at it. Subliminal, I mean, unexpected hypnosis, what we now call subliminal. So he's called it unexpected, and we do it that. Everything is there to draw you in. People use millions and millions of pounds to sell their products. If you're out there and you're trying to sell your product at the moment, utilize what people are spending millions on and just make it your own. Use the colors, use the inference, and all those type of things there. So subliminal messaging, go have a look at that in marketing. Is really, really important. And as a hypnotist to understand that. All right. So my friends, that was a really weird one out of all the ones I've done. Anyway, if you did enjoy these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment below. Leave comments about subliminal messaging and all that type of stuff, and anything, whether you like the video or not. All right. Go out there, my friends. Go practice. And when you finish practicing, go practice some more. My friends, be safe for now, all right? Just don't look down. There you go.